Hello all, this is Pavan, Scientist B in NILET. Welcome to the online course on MATLAB and Simlink. In this session, we are going to discuss about how this entire course has been structured and what are the topics we are going to discuss in this section. In this course, we are going to discuss in brief about MATLAB and Simlink. So coming to the topics of discussion, we are going to discuss about the introduction to MATLAB, and then we will see about how to register for the MATLAB. In MATLAB, you can do the offline version or you can go for the online version. In case of offline version, you have to manually install that software. In case of online MATLAB, you can register, and then like similarly how we are using Google Drive, in the same way in the MATLAB also they will provide some space for saving all our data. We can save all our programming files at there, and then you can use from anywhere at any time. So I will generally prefer this online MATLAB. So to use the online MATLAB, we are going to show one recorded video how to do the registration for online MATLAB. After that, we will discuss about the basics of MATLAB programming, and we will discuss about the operators and workspace data, and like how to see the workspace, how to save the data. Similarly, when we use multiple commands in the command window in MATLAB, if we want to save all the commands what we are doing, how to save that one, and how to create a scripts or functions, all those things we will discuss. After that, we will discuss about conditional statements and looping concepts. That means we will see if you want to provide any condition, so what will be the keywords are present. Like if you are already familiar with other programming languages, then it will be like if else, like that. Looping concepts means if you want to iterate a set of statement for n number of times, that thing we are going to learn using looping concept. That means like for loop and while loop, how to use that one and all. Next is about data plotting. Suppose if we have to data, if we want to analyze that one in graphical model, how to do that one? Like what are the plotting options will be there, like plots, subplots, all those things we will discuss in the data plotting. After that, about file handling in MATLAB. In the file handling, we are going to discuss about how to import and how to export the data. That means suppose I have data is present in my Excel or in CSV format or in one text format, how to import the data into my file. While importing, there may be like a multiple chances that some places there won't be any data. That thing how you want to rectify. That means data cleaning, how to do that one. We will discuss that thing in the file handling topic in importing the data. And then we will discuss about how to export the data. That means after we are importing the data, we will work on the data and we will come up with the new solutions, right? That solution also will be in the data format. So how to export that solution data into different files. So that thing we will discuss in the file handling, like data importing, cleaning and exporting. After that, we will discuss about how to write a scripts and then functions, and then we will discuss about the live script. Okay, here in the basics of the MATLAB, we will just see about how to create a new script or new function, but here we are going to discuss in detail about the scripts and functions and live scripts. After that, we will see how to convert our MATLAB written code into C or C++ programming file. Suppose I have done some digital signal processing, or I have taken some data, I have cleaned the data and I have processed the data. That processed data I am exporting to some file. Similarly, for doing this processing, what are the functions I have used? I want to convert that functions into one library file for other programming languages like in C or C++. How to do that one? That topic we will discuss in converting MATLAB functions into C or C++ programming library file. After that, we will see about designing a simple user interface in MATLAB. See here we are doing multiple processings in the MATLAB, right? So always it doesn't need that we want to write the commands and we want to do. There may be some cases where we will create a simple user interface. From that user interface, we want to control the things. So that thing we will learn in app building in MATLAB. After that, after we have done this app building, suppose if I want to add my created app in other places, then we have to generate that standalone app file. So we will discuss about how to generate that standalone app, and then we will discuss about how to add this created app or user interface into MATLAB apps. MATLAB by default it will come up with some apps for different toolboxes with different functionalities. So along with that one, if you want to add your created app, how to do that one, we will discuss about that one. So this is in brief, we will discuss about all these topics in MATLAB. After that, we will jump into the topic Simlink. So in the Simlink, we will discuss about introduction and basics of the Simlink, and we will see about Simlink environment fundamentals and what are the libraries will be there, like library blocks will be there. All those we will discuss, and then we will discuss about how to design a subsystems and how to add multiple subsystems to create a system level model. We will discuss in this Simlink, and then we will discuss about how to interface MATLAB and Simlink. So this is in brief about the topics what we are going to discuss in this online course on MATLAB and Simlink. Thank you.